Looking for a mechanical keyboard that delivers lightning-fast response times and eye-catching style? The Gateron Red mechanical keyboard offers exactly that, combining rapid linear switches with vibrant per-key RGB backlighting. Whether you're dominating in-game or typing up a storm, this keyboard keeps up with every move you make. The heart of this keyboard lies in its Gateron Red switches, known for their smooth, linear feel and quick actuation. Rated for over 50 million key presses, these switches ensure long-lasting durability without sacrificing speed or precision. This means you get consistent performance from your first game to your 100th. But it's not just about speed. The keyboard features a stunning brushed aluminum top plate with a curved design and floating keycaps, creating a minimalist yet functional look. The midnight black finish adds a sleek touch that fits any setup, whether at home or in the office. One standout feature is the fully customizable RGB per-key backlighting. With 16.7 million colors to choose from, you can tailor lighting effects to match your mood or highlight your most important keys. Multiple lighting modes bring dynamic flair to your desk, making every killstreak and macro stand out in style. Adjusting your lighting and macros is a breeze thanks to on-the-fly controls. No software needed for quick tweaks during intense sessions. For deeper customization, the included software lets you map colors precisely and fine-tune macros to optimize your workflow or gaming setup. It's flexible enough to suit beginners and power users alike. Users praise the keyboard's easy-to-type layout and responsive keys, though some note the software interface could be smoother. Still, the ability to program every key and customize lighting down to the smallest detail makes it a solid choice for anyone serious about their keyboard experience. If you want a keyboard that blends speed, durability, and stunning RGB customization, the Gateron Red mechanical keyboard is worth a look. It's designed for those who demand precision and style without compromise. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and take your performance to the next level.